In the last video of the marble clock that tells seconds using marbles, I finally fixed the issue with the marble selectors, and now we can see complete and perfect numbers. And I've been reading the comments, and lots of you were mentioning that the swapper wheel was getting stuck when swapping the marbles. About here. And I see how this can become an issue. And I was thinking about how to fix that issue, and then it clicked. Each second I have here a perfect matrix with all the marbles in their right position. But then I swap the numbers, and that number becomes again a bunch of mixed marbles. And then I need to pick them up again, sort them, bring them back up again, and then again reselect the marbles, and all of that to end up getting the same marbles in the same position. The exact same one. It makes no sense. I've realized that it makes much more sense to get a matrix, get all the marbles in the matrix in the right place, drop the marbles in it in the right order, and after using it, save it for next time. It's so simple. And I only need another 9 like this one. And now when I discard one digit, I can save it for later. And now I just need a way to keep them organized, and I think that having them rotating would be the best option, so I made this. So if I attach them all to this wheel in the right order, just look at it. The plan is now to rotate it, but I need a way to highlight which one of the digits is the one that is the actual second. So I've printed this frame with these 2 bearings that I completely degreased. And just to make sure that this stays upright with a little bit more force, I'm going to fill the bottom with iron shavings to make it heavier. I think it works quite well, and now I just need a way to spin this at 6 RPM. So I just got this motor in here, and now we just need to get this in here, and now it's just a matter of making it spin. But I think I can do one better and make it move more clock-like. And not only it is simpler, it is way quieter. I will never have to pick up marbles from the floor ever again. The numbers are always drawn perfectly. It requires way less marbles. It's a win-win. So if you want to see how I integrate this with the rest of the clock, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot to all my Patreons and members. Thank you. And now please go and make something!